Hey, what's happening? It's Nick with Lone Star Boot Reviews, and today we're going to be talking about the Voot boot shaper. So I made a video a little while back about storing your cowboy boots and give you a few options that you can use to hold the shape of your shafts. But each one of those options has a downside. The pool noodles that I showed you just aren't as big as the shaft, and so it doesn't really hold that shape. It will keep it from folding in half, but it's not going to keep the shaft from sagging. I also explained that you can use tissue paper or newspaper, and that works fine, but it's going to compress over time and deteriorate, so you're going to have to replace it quite often. And then the third thing I showed you was using the cardboard inserts that come in your cowboy boots. And at first those work pretty good, but it's really thin cardboard, so it's going to crush over time, and they're just not going to last that long if you use them a lot. Now that's where these come in. This is the Voot boot shaper, and Voot sent me two models of these for this review. They sent me this one, which is the Rodeo, and this is perfect for any standard cowboy boot or motorcycle boot, anything with up to like a 12 or 13 inch shaft. This is going to be perfect. They also sent me the Prima, which as you can see is much taller. And these guys are going to be great for women's boots that come up, below the knee, or even if you have a buckaroo style cowboy boot, this is going to be a perfect option for you. So these are made out of a thin plastic, but it feels really high quality. It's got nice smooth edges on it, so you're not going to have to worry about scraping the inside of your boot lining. It also has this hole cut out in the middle here to let the moisture escape from your boot when you're storing them. After you've worn your boot all day and your feet have sweat and everything, you want to let them air out, and that's what this hole is designed to do. Now the way these work is very simple. All you do is you roll this up like a cone, and then you stick it down in the top of your boot, and you let go, and it expands and really holds the shape of that boot well. Now I do like to make sure and rotate the shaper so that the hole has an air passage there so that it can do its job and help air out the boot while this is inserted. Now the Prima model, it works exactly the same way. You would roll this up and then you stick it down in your boot shaft, and there you go. And I think you could use the Prima in all your boots if you wanted to. It's holding this up just fine like this. If you just wanted to buy one size, I know they sell packs of multiples, and this will work on a standard size boot as well. So I think this is a really high quality product, and I think it's the perfect solution for sagging boot shafts, and it definitely gets the Lone Star stamp of approval. So I'll link their website in the description so you can check them out. Currently the Prima is on sale for $12.99. And the Rodeo is going for $14.95. Now they do sell packs of multiples, and I believe the price of the individual shaper goes down a little bit if you buy one of those multiple packs. So if you like this video and you want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe and click that little bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment, and check out my Patreon link down in the description. I'll see y'all on the next one. Take it easy.